Hey guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all your communication technology needs. Today we'll be teaching you how to set up twinning, activate Do Not Disturb, and also how to check your voicemail. Let's get to it. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone here. To set up twinning and activate Do Not Disturb, click on the gear icon near the bottom left, which will bring up the settings menu. Then on the drop down menu, select incoming calls. The first option you'll see is Do Not Disturb. Follow that to the right and you'll have the option to turn on Do Not Disturb by clicking on the little circle, and you can do the same to turn it off. To turn on twinning, in the same menu, the last option should be twinning. On the right of it will be a drop down arrow. Click on that. Enter the number you like to twin your handset to into the field and then press enter. Then to activate twinning, tick the box and then you can navigate away and twinning will be enabled. So if you get a call, you will see it ringing on your Collaborate client and also on your twin device, as you can see. To turn off twinning, go back to settings, incoming calls, select the drop down menu by the twinning option and simply untick the box. So that's setting up twinning and Do Not Disturb. Let's now see how we check our voicemails. Let's go. In the blue left hand column, select the call history icon. You'll see two options near the top. One will be call history and the other will be voicemails. Click on the voicemail icon. It will then show you all your voicemails that you have received. Click on the voicemail, which will then give you a play button. Click play to play the message. You can also rewind and forward the voicemail message by clicking on the bar. You can also click on the three dots next to the voicemail you want to listen to, which will give you a list of options. You can return the call, save the message, etc. Thank you for watching, guys. If you did find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and also ding that bell so you know when we upload, and make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you have any further questions, please make sure to check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching, guys, and remember, we are the business communication experts.